Hello, my name is Tyler, and today we're looking at the Roland XC-540. We're going to go through the weekly maintenance on this. This is something you should do yourself every week with your printer just to make sure that it's running properly. So we'll go ahead and get started. To get to the menu for maintenance, we're going to go into menu. We're going to go down to sub-menu, and then we're going to go to maintenance and cleaning, and go ahead and press enter. From there, it's going to prompt you to remove the maintenance panel, so we're going to go ahead and lift this up. Remove the 3 thumb screws that are on this side here, and then this panel should just slide right out. First thing we're going to do is wipe the print heads. What you want to do is just wipe around the edges. You want to make sure not to touch the actual print heads themselves. So we'll just go around all of these individually. Make sure you get all 4 sides. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and wipe the wipers over here. So all you're going to do is go one direction both ways on both of the wipers. Next, we're going to do the cap stations. This is the same as the print head, where you want to go around the cap station but not on the cap station itself. So we'll just do that on all of these. Those are all the things you need to clean. So from here, we're just going to go ahead and close the front cover, press enter. The print head will come back, and then from here we can go ahead and put the panel back on the right side over here. That's how you do the weekly maintenance on the Roland XC-540. This should only take you a couple of minutes, and as long as you do it every week, your printer should be running nice and smooth. If you like what you saw here, make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments below what you'd like to see us do next. And if you like anything you saw here, you can check it out at wensco.com. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.